Construction 3. Construct a triangle with side 5 cm, 6 cm and 7 cm, and then another triangle whose sides are 7/5 of the corresponding side of the first triangle. Now you can see this is an improper fraction. So the triangle which we are going to construct, another triangle which we are going to construct, will be outside of the given triangle. To construct, to draw a triangle ABC with AB is equal to 5 cm, BC is equal to 7 cm and AC is equal to 6 cm. Then a triangle similar to triangle ABC whose sides are 7/5 of the corresponding sides of triangle ABC. The steps of construction are given below. I will send you a photo of it. Let us see how to construct it. First of all, you are going to construct BC of 7 cm, and then you are going to draw a line ray opposite to CB, that is this ray, CY or CX or CD, whatever you want to. Then with radius 5 cm and B as a center, you are going to draw an arc, this arc. Then with radius is equal to 6 cm and from point C you are going to draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at A. Now you are going to join AB and AC. Now you are going to draw an angle CBX such that CBX is an acute angle. Then from point B and suitable radius, you are going to draw an arc intersecting the ray BX at point B1. Then you are going to draw a ray from B1 to get B2. Same way from B2 to get B3 going up till 7. So that B1 is equal to B1, B2 is equal to B2, B3. Well, then you are going to join B5 and C. Then from point B5 you are going to draw an arc with the same radius. From B7 you are going to draw an arc. Then you are going to find out the distance between these 2 points. Okay, well, you are going to keep your rounder at this point and you are going to take your pencil up till this point. So with this radius and from this point you are going to draw an arc which intersect the previous arc. Okay, then from B7 you are going to draw a line segment, okay, to get C dash on this line, that is BC dash. Okay, well, so from passing this to this intersection point and from B7 you are going to draw a line to get C dash. Similarly with point C you are going to draw an arc. From C you are going to draw an arc with any suitable radius, and with the same radius from C dash you are going to draw an arc. Now you are going to take distance between this point and this intersecting point, that is you are going to keep your rounder over here and you are going to extend your pencil up till here. With the same radius from this point you are going to draw an arc to intersect the previous arc. Now from C dash you are going to draw a line segment passing to the intersecting point, intersecting the ray BA dash, okay, at point A dash, and then you are going to draw a line. So this is our given construction. Okay, the points of construction are written below. Now question number 2. Be careful for this question. Construct an isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. Any two sides of the triangle are equal is called isosceles triangle, whose base is 8 cm and altitude is 4. And then another triangle whose side is 1.5. 1.5 matlab 2 1 are 2 and 1 3. 3/2 times the corresponding side. Now 3/2 again is an improper fraction. So the triangle which you are going to draw is outside the given triangle. So let us draw the given triangle. First of all, you are going to draw a line segment BC of 8 cm, and then you are going to extend it, let it be up till Y. Okay, that is BY. Now with B as a radius and radius more than half of BC, you are going to draw an arc with same point upper and niche, both the sides, okay, up and down, both the sides. You are going to draw an arc with center B, and with center C and same radius you are going to draw the arc which intersect the previous arc, okay, at 2 points up and down. With this point and this point you are going to draw a ray, let it be BZ, okay, well BZ, okay, well DZ, passing through this intersecting point, okay. Well, you are going to keep your scale in such a way that this intersecting point and this intersecting point are in a straight line, so that you will get a ray DZ. Now we know it very well, the altitude given to you is of 4 cm. So with radius as 4 cm and with point D, you are going to draw an arc intersecting ray DZ at point A. Construct AB and AC. So you will get the given triangle ABC with base 4 and altitude height such that AB and AC are equal. So that is our given isosceles triangle. Now you are going to construct a angle BCBX such that angle CBX is an acute angle. Now with any suitable radius, you are going to, from point B, you are going to draw a ray intersecting the ray BX at point B1. Same way from B1 you are going to draw B2 and B3. Now with B2 you are going to keep your rounder point over here, and then you are going to draw an arc with the same radius. From point B3 you are going to draw an arc. Now you are going to measure the distance between these 2 points, this point and this point. You are going to place your pencil over here and you are going to extend your pencil over here. You are going to keep the rounder point over here and pencil intersecting this line, okay, this point. With this radius and this point you are going to draw an arc intersecting the previous arc. So from B3, the point of intersection of two arcs, you are going to, from the point of intersection of two, that is the point of intersection of two arcs, from B3 you are going to draw an line segment intersecting the ray, okay, CY at point C dash. Same way with point C, you are going to draw an arc with the same radius. You are going to draw an arc from C dash, this arc. Now you are going to find out the distance between these 2 points by placing your rounder over here and extending your pencil up till here. With the same radius, from this point you are going to draw an arc. So from C dash, passing through the intersection point of the arc, you are going to draw a line segment intersecting AD, ray AD at point A dash. Then construct A dash, C dash and B3C. You will get your given construction. The points of construction are given below. Every day now I am going to teach you one construction, and from tomorrow onwards I have sent you a link. For that link you are going to be online at 10 o'clock. Thank you.